Cross your arms over, hold on to your shoulder, thank you. Step. And just relax your legs.